Hello friends and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making breaded shrimp. Okay, to start with you're going to need some shrimp, which you're going to remove everything but the tails. Make sure that all of the end pieces are cleaned off, and we're going to sprinkle them with some Old Bay seasoning. You can use as little as much as you want of this. The more you use, the stronger the flavor will be, and it will be a little spicy. So after that, we're going to take an egg and break it up. And then to this, we're going to add some buttermilk. The amount you're adding basically is just how many shrimp you're making. If you're just using like a few shrimp, you probably don't need more than a half a cup of the buttermilk mixed in with your egg. And then on a plate beside, I have added at least a half a cup of flour and a half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs with seasoning in them. Basically what you're going to do is take your shrimp, dip it into the mixture of buttermilk and egg, dip it into the flour, then bring it back, dip it again into the buttermilk and egg, and then dip it into the Italian breadcrumbs. And you're going to do this for each one of your shrimp until you made your way through all of them. Make sure that when you're doing this, you turn them backwards, forwards, around into the mixture of the flour and the breadcrumbs to make sure that you can get them evenly coated. Now, if you have a lot more shrimp than I have, which, you know, easily you could make a lot more than this, just add more flour, more of the Italian breadcrumbs to your plate so that way you can actually keep going. The mixture of the buttermilk and egg will last for quite some time. You'll probably have some left over. Now, once you've gotten all of your shrimp breaded, you're going to preheat some oil in a pan, get it up to 350 degrees, and then drop in your shrimp one at a time until you've spaced them out completely. You don't want to overload your oil. Just make a single layer of these in it. And it's not going to take that long to cook these, usually about 3 or so minutes. And you can tell when they're about done because the breading is going to turn a brownish color. And you don't want to get these too dark, but you're going to go like a medium tannish to brown color, and then you know you're done. You might want to move them around from time to time as they're cooking to make sure that they don't stick together. So as you can see with the ones that I have, they are gaining color now. This has been a couple of minutes. And as you're moving them around your pan, you might want to flip them upside down so that way you get an even coloring on the top and the bottom of your shrimp. So as you can see, mine are starting to get darker now. They are about done. So make sure that you have a plate ready with some paper towels on top and you pull this out so that way you can absorb some of the oil that might be left in the shrimp when you take them out of the pan. So now we're reaching the point where these are probably just about ready to be removed. So as you can see, as I'm lifting them out, they have a nice golden color to them, and that is what you're trying to get out of this. And once you remove these, once you have your other batch ready, just drop them straight in behind. The oil's already hot and you're ready to go. And when they're done, they look something like this. And if you notice on my plate, I have cheddar biscuits, which I also have a recipe for that on my channel. And if you like, I'll put a link to that in the description below. And I hope you like this video and my other ones on my channel, and if you do, please like and subscribe. And if you have a chance, check out my cookbook, which is available on Amazon and in bookstores worldwide. Have a great day.